Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I'm going to do a short but sweet video today on the sipsby box for the month of June. Are y'all coming inside? So here is this, and like I said, June teas. Sorry about that. Okay, so this month is what we got. Well, what I got. Of course, you get the reusable bags, which I love. Then we have the green tea right here, which are like the liquid ones. Then I got some mango, which I already took 2 of these and brewed it and put it with lemonade. It was delicious. Then I have the Moroccan mint tea. And we have another one down here. And then we have this cute little container right here, which is chocolate hazelnut. Now I wish I liked hazelnut. This container is adorable. I'm trying to open it up with one hand. So, woo! Okay, so this is what it looks like. Doesn't come with too much in it. It does smell very chocolatey. It smells pretty darn good. So guys, sadly, I've been realizing that I haven't been drinking tea as much that I would like, and I just have, my tea bin is overflowing, and I just, I have so appreciated sipsby by sending me this box to review for you guys, but I just haven't been drinking the teas as much, so I think I'm going to contact them and let them know that I don't want them to send it to me. And guys, I never just say yes to subscription box just to have them send it to me for free, to get free products. That's not who I am. So I feel like if I'm not really drinking the teas and reviewing them properly for you guys, I don't think it's a good fit for me. So this will be my last month getting this box. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway of all of these teas, and then I'm going to put a handful of other teas in here for you guys. So if you're interested in winning this box, I'm only going to be doing the giveaway for like a week. So if you're interested in winning this, then comment down below. Obviously, you should like teas. Only enter if you're going to drink this. You know, if you're not going to drink it, it's just going to lay around. Why not have someone else drink it? You know, so I'm going to do that. US only. Sorry. It's just too much, obviously, to send in to other countries. But, yeah, I hope you guys are excited if you win this. I will let you know the winner on a separate video. I love you guys so much, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.